Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download your resume from Indeed. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Indeed.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log into your Indeed account using your credentials. This ensures you have access to all your saved resumes and profile information. After logging in successfully, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice a profile icon there, which typically displays either your profile picture or a generic avatar. Go ahead and click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various account options. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on the option labeled Profile. This will take you to your main profile page where you can manage all your personal information, work history, and importantly, your resume files. Once you're on your profile page, scroll down until you find the Resume section. This is where Indeed stores all the resume versions you've uploaded or created through their platform. It's a centralized location that makes it easy to manage multiple versions of your resume for different job applications. Under the Resume section, you'll see a list of all your saved resumes. Each resume will be displayed with its file name and any relevant details about when it was last updated. Take a moment to identify which resume version you want to download. Next to the resume you want to download, you'll notice three dots which represent a menu icon. Click on these three dots to open up additional options for that specific resume file. This menu gives you quick access to various actions you can perform with your resume. From the menu that appears, click on the Download option. This is the key action that will allow you to save a copy of your resume directly to your computer or device. It's particularly useful when you need to have a local copy for offline access or to submit to employers through other platforms. After clicking Download, you'll be presented with a format selection screen. Here you can choose between two file formats, PDF or DOCX. The PDF format is ideal if you want to maintain consistent formatting across all devices and ensure your resume looks exactly as intended. The DOCX format, on the other hand, is better if you need to make further edits using Microsoft Word or similar word processing software. Click on either PDF or DOCX depending on your preference and needs. Once you make your selection, the download will begin immediately. Depending on your browser settings, the file will either download automatically to your default downloads folder, or you'll be prompted to choose a location where you want to save it. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded your resume from Indeed in your preferred format, ready to use for job applications or future updates. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.